Assalamu alaikum, Pyahe Rasool.
Walaikum salam.
Islam says men and women are equal. So why are they not treated equally in all societies around the world?
We are not responsible for each and every society and nation. Islam says they are equal, and Muslims should treat the women equally as their equal partners. See? And we Ahmadis should also treat the men and women. I have spoken on this subject at length in my different speeches and addresses during Jalsa Salana and Lajna Ijtima. So you can find out the answer from there. You see, Islam says they are equal as far as their rights are concerned. But there are some rights which are discharged in different ways, but it does not mean that they have been deprived from their rights. The women have been deprived from their rights. So, in a true Islamic society, men and women, boy and girl should be treated equally. Those who do not do this thing, they are doing against the teaching of Islam. So if you have any particular incident or you want to ask any particular question in this regard, then you can ask. What is in your mind? If you take it in general, then this is the teaching of Islam, and all the Muslim countries should act upon it according to this teaching. Right? Okay? Do you want to say something? Any question in your mind in this regard?
Jobs के मामले में.
Jobs के मामले में? You see, this is the claim of this present society, and these developed nations, the countries of the developed world, that they treat men and women equally. But you see, as you have already said, with regards to jobs, they are not being treated equally. Even with regards to their pay, the same type of job is given to man and woman, and women are paid less than the men. So this is a discrimination, and Islam is against this discrimination. So when there is an established Ahmadiyya society and we have the power, then if that society is not treating the man and woman equally, then you can raise these questions, and then you can ask this question from me. Then why we are not doing it? So I'm not responsible for other people. Right? Okay?
Jazakallah.